Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you earn money online through freelancing. Today we're going to talk about a hot topic, how to beat the Fiverr algorithm in 2024. So, if you're a freelancer looking to boost your visibility and get more gigs, this video is for you. Understanding the algorithm. First things first, let's understand what the Fiverr algorithm is. It's a set of rules that Fiverr uses to rank gigs. The better you understand these rules, the better you can tailor your gigs to rank higher. Key factors. There are several key factors that the algorithm takes into account. These include your gig's title, description, tags, and reviews. But it's not just about these elements. The algorithm also looks at your response time, order completion rate, and even how often you're active on the platform. Tips and tricks. Now, let's dive into some tips and tricks to beat the algorithm. 1. Optimize your gig. Make sure your gig title, description, and tags are clear, concise, and contain relevant keywords. 2. Stay active. Try to log in daily and respond to messages promptly. 3. Deliver quality work. This will lead to positive reviews, which can boost your ranking. 4. Promote your gigs. Share your gigs on social media platforms to increase your visibility. Remember, beating the Fiverr algorithm isn't about tricking the system. It's about understanding how it works and using that knowledge to present your gigs in the best possible way. So, keep these tips in mind, stay consistent, and watch your Fiverr success grow in 2024. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep freelancing and keep earning.